Hey everyone, in today's video we will solve intro to Burp PicoCTF. So let's start. First go to the page and copy the URL. Then open your Burp Suite. Then open browser. Here paste the link. Now in this website fill the form like full name, surname and all. Then before clicking on register, first turn the intercept on, then register. Send this to repeater, then forward it, and also send this to repeater, then forward. Now it's asking for two-factor authentication and OTP. What we have to do is enter anything like 1 2 3, submit, and send it to repeater, then forward. Let's see what's happened. So it says invalid OTP. Now go to repeater, and here what you have to do is remove this OTP field, then send. Now you can see you got the flag. So what we did here is the OTP bypassing, means we removed the OTP field and it didn't check for the OTP and it gave us the flag. Copy this and submit it. So it's done. Thanks for watching.